little over 2 years ago, I sat in this exact same spot and filmed a video, my first YouTube video, and introduced everybody to the car that would become the channel car. It was a 2017 black California Special. We went with Corsa Stream Catback. We went with a Rouse Phase 2 Supercharger kit. We had a blast with that car. Ended up running 10.6 in the quarter, 6.8 in the 8th, with just an 80mm pulley, 93 octane, catback exhaust, wheel and tire, full interior, full weight, with a Winger Performance tune on it. And we were getting ready to turn it up and go even further. And then the unthinkable happened. It was destroyed in a fire. I was burnt in a fire, was down for a little while, but I came back. But I always said that if I could find a car identical to that car, I would buy it back in a heartbeat. I never went looking for it. I never went searching for it. I always said that if it was meant to be, that it would come to me. And the other day, after moving my daughter into college, we went back to the dealership to drop the truck off and pick up the blue car, and this was sitting at the dealership. It is a 2016 black California Special, exactly like the one I had. And guys, it is bone stock from front to back, and the gentleman had it, took extreme good care of it, and I could not pass on this. So yes guys, I bought this car. Now I still have the 2020, and yes, we are still putting the turbos on the 2020. I did contemplate putting the turbos on this car. However, I told you guys we were putting the turbos on the 2020, and I want to go back with a similar build on this car. This car is kind of going to be the California Special reincarnated. So we're going to go with the GT350 replicas. We're going to go with the Corsa Catback, hopefully Corsa Catback. We will see. And then we're going to go with a Supercharger. Now, I don't know if I'm going to go with the Rouse Supercharger or something else, but it will be a Supercharger. Since we have turbos on the blue car, we will be supercharging this car some sorts. Not sure which yet, but we will figure that out. I got plenty of time to figure it out because I've got a lot of stuff to do to the blue car, and I've got to come back financially over all of this to be able to put stuff in this car. So guys, it's not going to be an overnight build. It's going to be as time goes on, but I've got the blue car and I've got this car now. So guys, I'm going to be able to bring you a lot more content now that I've had both these cars. Yes, we have the wife's car, but that's her car. I don't go wild crazy with her car. I respect that it's hers, and whatever she wants to do with it, we will do with it. However, that's her car. This one and the blue car are my cars, so we're going to have a lot of fun with it. The blue car getting twin turbos. This will eventually get supercharged later down the road. We're going to have a lot of fun, guys. And one thing about my old California Special is we didn't have it very long naturally aspirated. We went straight to the blower. I actually ordered the blower the day I bought the car, so we went straight supercharged right out of the gate pretty much. And this car, we're going to have a little fun with it naturally aspirated. We're going to supercharge down the road. We're just going to have a lot of fun with this car, guys. And anybody that knows me knows what that black car meant to me. It started a channel. I absolutely love that car. I had no intentions of getting rid of that car, and I go through a lot of cars, but I had no intentions of getting rid of that car. But it was taken from me in the accident. But when the opportunity presented itself, and this car showed up at the dealership, it's like it was meant to be. So I had to jump on it. I had to buy it. And I'm going to show you something real quick under the hood. All right, so right here, this has not even had this removed. So we're going to remove it. That was still on it, guys. This car, like I said, is unmolested front to back. All right, so those of you not familiar with the California Special, it has leather with red stitching. It has a suede. It has the navigation, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, blind spot monitoring. It's a fully loaded car, except it's just not a performance pack. It has everything else except for performance pack stuff. But guys, it is absolutely in great condition and very well taken care of. Like I said, guys, it was like it was meant to be. I had to buy it. So now we are going to be building the blue car, this car down the road. We're going to be having a ton of fun, guys. The one thing this car does is it brings in more content for you guys. And then also we have the white SN95. I haven't forgot about that car, guys. And I know a lot of people are going to say, man, you've got your plate full now. Yes, I do, but everything does not have to be done overnight. After all, if it was all done overnight, then I wouldn't be able to bring you guys content. It would all be done. Then I would be like, what am I going to film now? You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, we're going to have a lot of fun with this car. We're going to have a lot of fun with the blue car. And I know I say this, but I'm at the mercy of FedEx, guys. Like I said in the last video, there are literally packages that are just taking their sweet time going anywhere right now. But we're waiting on it. One is supposed to be delivered tomorrow. And if you watched my last video, I threw in the box that came in with the exhaust manifolds, the wastegates, the blow-off valve, all the hard piping for the code side, the down pipes, the mid pipes, all that. I threw that in that video, so go check that video out. It was when I was out at Dover's checking out the Coyote swaps. But as soon as everything lands, we were going to be putting the Hell Horse Performance twin turbo kit on through the 2020. And don't forget, you can go to Hell Horse Performance, enter discount code SpeedAddict731 and save yourself some money. All the information is down in the description. Guys, I'm excited. The minute we pulled in and we seen the car, my wife looked at me and she said, "You're fixing to buy that car." And I said, "Yes, I am." I hope all you guys that have been around since the beginning of the channel and was around when I was building the car up and then racing the car all the time, I hope you guys are as excited as I am. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.